Hey wedding vendors, I'm Irene Jones of IJ Photo, and I want to share with you some tips that can help your wedding business become more inclusive for LGBTQIA peoples for Pride Month and for every day of the year. I'm a mom of 4 kids and a wedding photographer. I've been doing wedding photography for 23 years, and 2 of my kids identify as part of the LGBTQIA community. I have a gay son as well as a non-binary kid. Now, these 2 things, weddings and inclusivity, are close to my heart. And because of that, I've learned a few tips and tricks I want to share. In my time in the industry, I've talked to all sorts of vendors and clients. Vendors tend to say to me, I would love to have more clients that identify, but I simply don't know where to find them. They're not coming to me. And clients that identify are saying, I would love to work with some inclusive vendors, but I simply can't find them. Every time I go to a website, I feel like I have to come out in my email inquiry. So you can see where the problem is, right? The first thing you can do to become a better ally this month is you can change your website. Change the verbiage to be very clear and concise about your support for people within the LGBTQIA community. When you do that, you're going to see 3 things happen. First, you're going to see leads from queer people come in. You're also going to see leads from people who love queer people, whether it be family members or friends. They're going to see, oh, that's a welcoming vendor. I want to use them, even if they themselves don't identify. And then third, you'll see a self-selection of those people that are filled with hate, and they won't be your clients anymore. And you won't have to deal with them, which I think is personally a great thing. Then your second step after you've changed the verbiage on your website is to add images of people within the community. Find a lovely gay couple embracing and put that photo somewhere within your social media and on your website. Find a couple of gorgeous lesbians wrapped together and enjoying a quiet moment. Put them on your website. Find a trans person and their partner, no matter how they identify, and show them cuddling. Make sure that you show them in warm, loving embraces, because that's what our job is about. Show them in love, enjoying love, and being loved. When you do that, it's going to reinforce the messages that you wrote down in your social media posts and on your website, and show to people that you not only walk the walk, but you talk the talk. Next, don't be afraid to ask questions. When there is something that you don't understand, ask. Ask things like, what are your pronouns? And then use those pronouns. When you're not sure of what someone's identification really means, if they use a term that you're not familiar with, simply say, oh, I've never heard that before. Could you tell me more? And then listen and start using that terminology with that person as a sign of respect. Everybody's different. Every person is a different person, as Ted Lasso would say, and you have an opportunity to validate all of those differences by simply hearing them out. Finally, if you need more than what I've shared in this video, which is very little, I would love to introduce you to my friend Lauren Shea, who does consulting for wedding vendors to help them be more inclusive. Their info is going to be in the socials below. Have a wonderful Pride Month. Remember to be inclusive, and remember that love is love and that our business is about love. Thanks for watching.